Hello beautiful folks, welcome to lesson number 13. In this tutorial we're gonna just learn the Liquify tool from which you can do the wonders in Photoshop. Either if you wanna increase the hair or whatever you can wanna increase without losing the originalism of the photo, you can just use this magic tool, that is Liquify tool, to stand out your photos from the rest. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the video guys. Hello guys, welcome to our new chapter of photo editing series. So here we will just learn how to guys master the Liquify tools, right? So here we will learn the Liquify tool, how do you can use this Liquify tool. So where you can get that tool is, I'll just show you. First of all, we'll just duplicate the layer so that we can just work on this layer. So just go to the filter and select the Liquify. So it will open up the window, that is a Liquify tool. So this tool is actually used to guys, if you want to increase the size of the if you want to increase the hairs, you can totally play with the hairs and increase the size. If you want to increase the hand or the biceps, you can totally play with around and just make up something different. Let's see, if you want to make an hairstyle differently, you can totally play with the hairstyle and just make a unique kind of hair look to the photo. So this is how this Liquify tool actually works. This actually stretches it in the way you want. You can just totally play with it and just make a cool creative hairstyle or kind of facial expression or whatever you want. You can just do it. Basically in photo editing process, this this Liquify tool is only used to increase the size of the hairs or nose or whatever you want, or if you want to increase the biceps, that also you can just do it with the help of this Liquify. So as you can see the preview before and after, a huge difference can be seen to the photo. Here is the without and here is the with Liquify. As you can see, we have changed totally the hairstyle of this models. It is literally looking so cool without losing any details, and it is looking kind of realistic. So this is how you can use this Liquify tool to do anything process. Let's try it on this. Just go to the Liquify tool and let's just play with the cheeks. Suppose if you want to increase this, you can totally increase the lips a little bit to get that more perfect details. And if you can see the difference, here's the before and here's the after. So this is how this Liquify tool actually works. If you want to increase the eyebrows, just stretch it in the way you want a little bit, it will just increase up the eyebrows. If you want to increase the eyes, so what else you can do is just increase the size of the brows. That you can do it over here, or you can just press the bracket key from the keyboard and just move around and just do a bit of increasement of the eyes. So it will just change up the eyes totally. So as you can see, here is the before and here is the after. A lot of difference can be seen in the photo. If you want to increase the size of the hairs, right? So what else you can do is just increase it in the way you want to increase, right? So this is how this magic Liquify tool actually works, right? So if you want to increase the buffiness or the volume of the hairs, you can totally do it with the help of this Liquify tool, right guys? So as you can see the preview, here is the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen in the photo with the help of this Liquify tool. So this really creates a wonder sometimes, guys. If you want to create something amazing, there will be some time you will need this tool. So you can use this technique to increase or something sort of the thing. If you want to increase the biceps, let's try it on it. As you can see, you can just totally increase the biceps and all, hand region just a bit. You can also increase the breast with the help of this Liquify tool, right? So you can see the difference, guys. Here is the before and here is the after. So a huge difference can be seen in the photo with the help of this Liquify tool. So this is how this tool actually works. So I hope you have learned this tool. So see you in the next video guys. Till then, be creative and be awesome.